All right, so we're gonna install the lower rocker overlay here on the C8 Corvette. This decal is cut to fit. We're probably not gonna need any heat or anything to put this on. I do have the heat gun here next to me and a couple tools just in case I'll need them. Let's see, first thing first, just look and make sure we have the right one on the right side of the car. When you hold it up to the car, it's not gonna quite look like it fits right. If you see that, it's not quite butting up there. It's because of the curve. There's actually more curve here than it looks. So we're gonna start in the front, work our way to the back, and the install will work just fine. First thing I'm gonna do is free about 10 inches of film with the tip. Get the front tip placed exactly where I want it. That's right where this body line juts out. And the back side of the vinyl should go right in to that groove. So now that we have that part started, I'm gonna free more backing paper, and this is where we'll start to feed the vinyl way back into that crease. And then with light pressure, make sure that I don't create any fingers or tension as I work my install back that way. If you notice, I'm not installing any of the vinyl forward of that back hinge. All I'm doing right now is making sure that that back edge is fully applied. Then we're gonna work the vinyl flat down. More backing paper comes off. Same kind of thing. I'm just gonna use my left hand to hold the decal back towards that crease in the body. Just keep locking it down as we go back. We don't need any more backing paper. We'll remove all of that. This is falling exactly where I'd want it to. Oh, that one may be just a little bit off, so just lift it. This is why I'm not using too much pressure right now. So I still want to be able to reposition the vinyl if I need to. There we go. Now we've got this entire back edge clean, installed, no tension, and we're going to work the vinyl down over the face. All we'll need for that is either a glove or a squeegee. You can see I just have my fingertips under the vinyl right here, just to help hold it up in case there's any tension forming. There's not. It's super smooth. Just get the vinyl all the way to this edge. Now we've clearly defined that edge. We have a second angle here that starts. It's done. And you can see now we have just about 1/4 inch of vinyl left that we're gonna wrap underneath. That's gonna give us that total covered look. Edge to edge, both the front and the rear are rounded, so you don't have to worry about this vinyl lifting off like it would if there was a sharp corner at the edge. And now all we do is just help the vinyl all the way around the bottom. Whatever tool is easiest for this. You want to be careful and not make any creases at the bottom or under the car. There we go. Make sure the bottom is fully applied. Once again, I'll just run my finger, my squeegee back into that. Make sure it's fully done. And there we go. The lower rocker panel carbon fiber kit is now installed. This is the Luxe Metallic 2K in gloss.